Today, we will be looking at a different style of moving average. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a different style of moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 563 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator with the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator in a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a different style of moving average. And so the source video says free moving average buy and sell signals. The indicator that we are looking at today is going to be the zone shift indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Now the source video is pretty straightforward. There's not a whole lot of wild claims being made. And so the indicator is free. And it does give some buy and sell signals. I guess you could say they're buy and sell signals. They're just kind of different colorations and stuff that you can interpret as buy and sell signals. And so, of course, we're going to put this indicator to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, the indicator itself, you can see on screen, pretty simple setup. The main component of it is the shift in the coloration. So you can see it shifts from green to blue. And when it shifts to blue, that is an indicator that we're in a downtrend. When it shifts to green, that's an indicator that we're in an uptrend. And then there's some other components to it as well. But we'll just test it with the coloration or trend shift coloration first and see what we can get out of it that way. And so what we're looking for a short trade. So we are looking for when the price switches from the green to the blue coloration. And when it does so, it actually does one bar into the future like this here. So this bar closes and then it turns blue, this bar here, and sometimes we'll give a diamond like this here. And so for the short trade setup, we're just looking for that shift in the coloration of the candles to blue, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just at the top of the channel right here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so you can see that one takes a little bit of time, but we eventually make our way down here, getting us to our take profit. And for the long trade setup, what we are looking for is the shift in the coloration from the blue to the green, like this here. Again, one bar into the future gets us that coloration shift. That'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade there, put our stop just right below this lower channel here, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. This one definitely getting there a little bit quicker. You can see this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 28% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $14,400. That would have put your total profit and loss at negative $6,000. And so, as far as using it as a standalone indicator in this way, didn't seem to work out all that great. Doesn't mean that it's a horrible indicator. Some people like to get in the comments and say that I'm just bashing on other people's indicators, but that's not necessarily the case. We're just trying to determine what indicators can be used in a reasonable fashion. Sometimes maybe they need to be paired with other indicators, but as far as using this, say, as a standalone indicator or the foundation of a strategy, that might not be the way to go. Maybe this would be better off used as a confirmation or something along those lines, or maybe in some cases, indicators just really don't work at all. I mean, that's just the reality of the situation. I'm not going to sugarcoat it for anybody. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 39 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candles. We had right at a 75% win rate and a total gain right at $18,000. So definitely better results. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 39 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator. And we had right at a 75% win rate and a total gain right at $14,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on a no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.